Good morning, students. Welcome to science class, and today we will read chapter number 10, Sound. Children, we hear various types of sound every day: the chirping of birds, the ringing of doorbells, the honking of horns, and mobile ringtones. These are some of the examples of sounds that we hear every day. When we speak or laugh, we also produce sound. So, here you can see some of the examples given in the pictures. Now, look at the pictures of the things and observe their sound. The sound of the telephone is trin trin. Sound of the bell is tun tun. Sound of the crying of a child is ua ua. And sound of beating the door is tuk tuk. Sound of the horn is pee pee, and sound of barking of animal is woo woo. It's a sound of a dog. Now sound is produced by the vibrations, and vibration is very fast. We make sounds when we talk. We communicate with each other by talking, and people all over the world talk in various languages, and all these languages produce different sounds. Now let's read about the different types of sounds. Sounds we make different types of sounds when we talk, when we laugh, when we shout, when we cough or sneeze. We make all types of sounds with our voice box. And let's see the types of sound which is made by us human beings with the help of their sound box or a voice box. Child is laughing, sound like ha ha ha. Crying sound, ua ua. Sneezing sound, akshi. And coughing sound is kho. Now, can you make sounds without using your voice box? Yes, of course. We can make a sound without using voice box too. So here you can see how we can make sound without voice box. The man in the picture is knocking at the door and making a sound without voice box. He is knocking, sound is tuk tuk. And here beating of the drum and also tearing of pages makes a sound of char. Now let's read about some pleasant sound. What is pleasant sound? Some sounds that we make may be pleasant or unpleasant. Sounds which are soft are called pleasant sounds. We enjoy these type of sound, and such as the sounds made by musical instruments, chirping sounds made by the birds, and we can make pleasant sounds with the musical instruments. Some of the musical instruments are given here like tabla, flute, guitar and sitar. Now unpleasant sound. Sounds can be soft or loud. Some loud sounds can be very unpleasant. Loud sounds are disturbing and can be bad. What happens when you and your friends are talking to each other? What does your teacher tells you? Your teacher tells you not to make a noise. So, loud sound is called noise, and noise hurts the ears. Apart from animals, animals too make sounds. You can see some of the pictures of animals are given here and the sounds made by them. Cow moos, owl hoot, lion roar, and monkey chatters. Then sound of the dog is bark, hen crow, duck quacks, snake hiss, lamb bleat, and birds chirp. Sound is also produced in nature. We can hear many sounds in nature, such as you can see when the winds blow very fast, we can hear the rustling of the leaves. Hear pitter patter of rain during the rainfall, cracking of fire, and thunder of storm and lightning. So, in this chapter, we have learned that we hear various types of sounds every day. We cannot see the sound, but we can hear it. We make different types of sound with our voice box. Sounds can be soft, loud, pleasant, and unpleasant. Animals too make sound, and nature also makes sound like the thunder, rainfall, cracking fire, and waterfall. So that's all in this chapter. Thank you.